Day 9, and we have a soccer game tonight, or today. They said it's going to be cold. It's 69 degrees, but it feels like it's 75. It's beautiful weather. So hopefully we're going to have some fun. Soccer with 3 to 5 year olds is kind of funny. We're going to do this, then go see Wild Robot, get some writing done. I got to pack. Date night, a lot of stuff going on. It's going to be a fun day. Maybe.
First smoothie ever.
Okay, can you tell I've been crying? Evie and I both were sobbing. Were you crying so hard? Evie, what did you think of your first movie? Did it make you cry?
Yeah.
She was sobbing. I was sobbing. If you haven't seen The Wild Robot, it was a very good, touching movie. Had all the feels. So that was a good afternoon. It's so strange to come out of a movie and it be broad daylight because we're used to going at night. I also got a big package from Erin Condren with all the Hello Kitty stuff. So I'm going to have to use this as a reward or something because we have babysitter coming in about 30 minutes for date night. I also, this is what my room looks like. The bed is covered in clothes. So what I like to do when I'm getting ready for a conference is let me put all the things together with the accessories and the earrings and everything. And I like to try it on. And when I'm speaking, I think these are the two dresses. This, I think this one is from Jason Wu and Eloquy. And then this one is from Talking, I don't know, but it's kind of like a dark pink. So I think these two are my speaking outfits, but then I have lots of other clothes and outfits to think about because we're going to Chris Angel, we're going to Mad Apple, Cirque du Soleil show, and then it's a long conference. I'm there for 7 whole days, which is a long time. So I just want to make sure I have everything that I might need. I don't know if I showed you guys this before, but this was my reward for finishing Disappearance of Vanessa Shaw is this beautiful Coachtopia cherry purse. And even though it is kind of a summery vibe, I'm still taking it to Vegas because it'll be a cute little bag. So I'm going to get as much packed as I can tonight. We probably won't be out super late for date night so that I can pack, and then got to get to bed and get everything ready for the conference. Hey, so I have not been recording. I didn't even bring my regular camera. This is just my phone. But we're at my favorite writing spot, which is Panera. George and I went to dinner. We went shopping. We helped a lady that needed a ride. And so we've just been kind of bebopping around town a little bit. We're not going to stay out too late because I do have a flight to Vegas tomorrow, but wanted to show you a little bit of date night. So sometimes date night is like, let's go out to a movie, let's go bowling, we like to do escape rooms. But my favorite date nights sometimes are just, let's go sit at a coffee shop or a Panera and talk through story, just hang out together. Super fun. So that's what we're doing. I've got my backpack here. I'm going to pull out my Free Write Alpha and get a little bit of writing done. We've only got an hour and 20 minutes before they close, and then we're going to head to Target for a little bit before we go home. But overall, it's been a fun night.